How to log in or sign into UpWork account. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'll show you how to log in into your UpWork account. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So to get started, first of all you have to launch any of the web browser and type in upwork.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of UpWork, from where you need to first locate the login button that is just beside the sign up option in the top right corner. Click on it. Then you will be directed to the login portal, where you have to first enter your username or your email address in the first field. Then click on continue. Despite that, you can also directly log in with your Google account and your Apple account as well. And if you do not have an UpWork account yet, you can click on the sign up button in order to successfully become a member of UpWork. After entering your email address or your user ID in the first field, click on continue, that is highlighted in green color. Then you will be prompted with a password. Enter the correct form of your password in this field right over here. And check this box of keep me logged in if you'd like this system or Google Chrome web browser to remember your credentials for the future logins. But in the case if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password link in order to successfully retry or reset your password. And after entering all of your credentials correctly, finally, click on this login button highlighted in green color in order to successfully log into your UpWork account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.